Well, thanks for visiting us this morning. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update and looking at some pretty big weather changes today. We'll start out with some cool and fall-like air early in the day, maybe some early day sunshine, but we've got a warm front moving up from the coastline. So mid to late morning, we will see some thunderstorms pop up along and south of Interstate 20, and that rain will kind of move north through the afternoon. So another one of those days, just take the umbrella to be on the safe side. Not everybody will see rain, but a pretty high chance that we will see some scattered thunderstorms in the vicinity of your neighborhood or workplace at some point through the middle of the day today. Great weather this morning, though. If you can get outside early, you will enjoy some fall-like weather here as your temperatures are running in the 50s as well as the 60s. Wind speed's pretty light. The wind's still out of the northeast, but as this warm front pushes through, winds will switch to the south, and that will be that kind of warm and humid air making its way up from the coastline, so we'll get that Gulf air back in place. So pretty warm and muggy afternoon in most areas, low to mid 80s. There will be a few locations north of I-30 which enjoy another day in the 70s, including Idabel and DeQueen, but we're already seeing the rain going down along the coastline, and again, these are the showers that will get pulled north through the morning, and you can see the dry air here indicated by that orange color. That's the dry air that came in behind the front yesterday, already leaving us, and it's actually the same cold front which is moving back north as a warm front today. So it did bring us some great weather yesterday, and unfortunately going to bring us some scattered thunderstorms and more humidity today. So look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. We'll be fine through the morning commute here, but you can see the storms ramping up pretty quickly by the late morning and afternoon. I will say we're not in the Storm Prediction Center's severe weather outlook today, but as we often see with these warm fronts, they do pack a bit of a punch. So there could be some gusty winds as well as some lightning with some of the storms that are out there today. And keep in mind, we've got that cool air out there this morning and aloft, so sometimes if you can get some strong updrafts of these storms, you can see some hail as well. So I'm not going to discount the threat of any severe weather today. It is completely possible we could see a rogue severe storm or two, and that would especially be true for the afternoon once we start to warm up, but no widespread severe weather expected today. And you can see some of those scattered thunderstorms continuing through the afternoon and evening as well. Now we've got a cold front which will stall out just to the west of us here on Wednesday, Thursday, and this front will actually start moving through on Friday, but we'll be close enough to keep that rain chance in the forecast here for the next few days, especially tomorrow across the I-30 corridor. So look at the rainfall potential. There won't be a lot of rain here between now and probably Thursday afternoon, but we'll have to watch that Thursday night and into Friday time frame because you can see there is a pretty good corridor of heavy rain here just outside of the Arklatex. In fact, there is a flash flood watch just to the west of us. It does not include any of our counties, as we're expecting to see less than an inch or two of rain in most spots, but there may be some areas here that pick up 2 to 3 inches of rain between now and Friday evening. And again, that's a look at one forecast model. Here's a look at another one. This is our in-house model here, which is showing that chance for maybe some heavier rain actually moving into some of our northeast Texas and Oklahoma counties. So just make sure you're checking back for updates, but at this point we do have some drought conditions, so the ground should be able to soak most of this up, but it gives you an idea of the rain we're looking at for the rest of the week. So look at your 7-day forecast, which will keep us kind of warm and muggy through Friday. This cold front that moves through on Friday, it doesn't look like we'll see any severe weather with that, but this front will give us some great weather this weekend, as we'll have daytime highs under the sunshine this weekend in the low to mid 70s and some chilly overnight lows in the 40s and 50s.